He wasn't okay. Anxiety, brain fog, and constant fatigue. But just one shift turned it all around. How did he go from this to this? Let's find out. This is John. For years, he battled poor focus, memory loss, anxiety, and depression, symptoms of deeper neurological and mental health issues. But after adopting one simple habit, fasting, everything changed. John regained his clarity, energy, and joy without a single pill or supplement. So how can fasting heal the brain and mental health? Let's break it down.
Neurological disorders are like toxic damage to the brain. Heavy metals, inflammation, excess brain electrical activity, Alzheimer's, dementia, memory loss, and difficulty thinking clearly. Many people notice their memory weakening, even struggling to remember simple things they once easily recalled. Past brain injuries or strokes also fall under this category. Mental health disorders include anxiety, stress, schizophrenia, depression, frustration, irritability, and even suicidal thoughts. When you fast for more than 16 hours, something remarkable happens. Your nervous system begins producing a powerful protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This protein acts like a repair crew for your brain, protecting it and restoring damaged cells, while also creating brand new neurons and connections, a process called neurogenesis. At the same time, your body releases growth hormone, which goes to work repairing tissues, rejuvenating your skin and hair, and even helping eliminate harmful cells and excess fat. Fasting activates your body's natural self-repair system, what scientists call spontaneous healing. It also triggers hormesis, a powerful effect where mild stress, like exercise or fasting, makes you stronger. After about 16 hours without food, your brain enters a focused emergency mode. It switches on over 200 genes that drive deep cellular repair, build new cells, and regenerate neural pathways, restoring what's been damaged. Inside every cell, tiny powerhouses called mitochondria are responsible for generating energy. After about 16 hours of fasting, when your glycogen stores run low, your body switches from burning carbs to burning fat. This shift sends a powerful signal to your mitochondria, telling them to multiply and become more efficient. It's like upgrading your brain from a 4-cylinder engine to a high-performance 8-cylinder machine. Fasting also produces ketones, an alternative fuel that easily crosses the brain's protective barrier and feeds your brain cells. This improves memory and can even reverse symptoms of dementia and other neurological disorders. Fasting helps calm the storm in your mind. It reduces anxiety and stress by shifting your brain's focus entirely to the present moment. Your nervous system relaxes, and your brain naturally boosts serotonin and dopamine levels, giving you real, lasting happiness, not the temporary highs and crashes that come from sugar or processed carbs. To do it right, combine intermittent fasting with water fasting. Finish your last meal around 9 or 10 p.m. Keep it simple and healthy. No bread, no white rice, no sugary fruits. Focus on fresh vegetables, quality proteins like any meat you enjoy, and complex carbs like broccoli, sweet potatoes, cauliflower, or cabbage. Add healthy fats like olive oil or nuts. The next morning, stick to water, herbal tea, or black coffee. No sugar, no cream. This keeps your body in a pure fasting state. We call this water fasting. Continue this fasting until at least 4 or 5 p.m. That's about 18 hours of fasting. Aim for a minimum of 16 hours daily. If you have serious health issues, fast 5 days a week and rest 2 days. For general health, 2 to 3 days a week is enough. The longer you maintain this routine, the more your body heals and regenerates. When you break your fast, eat clean and healthy meals to support your progress. Remember, fasting is a powerful, natural way to heal your brain and mind, without expensive drugs or supplements. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your loved ones. Stay tuned for more powerful health tips coming soon.